Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about an unexpected reunion. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about meeting a friend. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What movie does Tony want to see? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video.
Oh my God! Is that you, boy? I cannot believe my eyes today.
Tony? Is that really you? It has been such a long time, my friend.
Yes, it is me! You look so different. How have you been lately?
I have been very busy with school, but I am doing great. And you?
I am doing well too. I just finished my final exams last week. I feel free.
That is wonderful news. I am so happy for you. Exams are very hard.
They were difficult, but I studied every day. Now I want to have some fun.
I understand. Are you here alone or with some other friends from our school?
I am here alone today. I wanted to see the new superhero movie after exams.
What a coincidence! I am also here to see the same superhero movie right now.
Really? That is amazing! Do you already have a ticket for the show?
No, I do not. I was just about to go to the ticket counter.
Me too. Why don't we go buy our tickets together and sit together?
That sounds like a great idea. I would love to watch the movie with you.
Great, let's go. Do you want some popcorn or a drink for the movie?
Yes, please. I love sweet popcorn and a large cold orange juice very much.
Me too. The popcorn here is very delicious. Let's get a big bucket to share.
The snacks are a bit expensive, but today is a special day for us.
Don't worry about it. It is my treat since I finished my exams today.
That is so kind of you. Thank you. I will buy the snacks next time.
You are welcome. Look, the popcorn is fresh and smells very good. Do you want some?
Yes. It is very crunchy and sweet, just the way I like it.
And here is your cold orange juice. It is perfect for a movie night.
What time does our movie start? I hope we are not late for it.
The movie starts in 15 minutes. We have enough time to find our seats.
Perfect. Let's go to the entrance now. I want to see the movie trailers.
I like trailers too. They show us many other movies that are coming soon.
I am so happy I met you today. It makes this movie much better.
I feel the same way. It is a very lucky day for me too.
We should meet more often. I missed our long talks about many things.
I agree. We should go to the park or a cafe next weekend.
That sounds wonderful. Let's exchange our phone numbers after the movie ends.
Yes, definitely. I have a new number now. I will give it to you.
Look! The theater is very big. Our seats are in the middle row.
Here they are. Seat number 10 and 11. This is a great view.
I am so excited. The movie is about to start. Thank you again.
You are very welcome. Now, let's enjoy this superhero movie together. Shh.
What movie does Tony want to see? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.